Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can see my screen and also hear my voice clearly. Today is 14th of June. So I want us to start off with EURUSD. This chart so far, we've been seeing sellers come in strongly. We had a very good level here with the price bounced off from. We had it used as a support here. There was this breakout, the price continued down. It came back to the same point as a resistance. As the price continued down, it came back, but then it could not break above it. So this was the correct place to look for a sell from. If you're on this chart like 3 weeks ago, this was the correct place you could have taken a sell from, expecting that sell to push price to the lower side as it is doing now, at least up to this point. So if you're on this chart when the price was here, this was the correct place you could have taken a sell from. Expect that sell to take price at least up to this level here. So in case the price does not move to the lower side and instead it goes up and even closes beyond this point, then the next level is this. The next level is this one. So these are the places we want price to get to this level so that we sell, or the price should come back down up to this point so that we look for a buy position. The other symbol is GBPUSD. So GBPUSD so far, this has been a sell for some reason. You can see that the price is pulling back to the lower side, but we do expect that sell to push us at least up to this point here. So if the price should go down, then this is the best place where we want to look for a buy from. We want to see price come back up to this point, then bounce from this point up to some level here, actually this level here. So if the price gets to this point, this will be a good place to look for a buy from, with our take profit fixed at this level here. The other symbol is USDJPY. So this chart, this is bullish. For some reasons, we have some buy signals. You can see that the previous week's candle, this was like some small bullish pin bar. We do expect it to push price to the upper side. Let me make that trend line to be white so that you're able to see it clearly. Have this level here. You can see that this is like some resistance, some resistance, some resistance. Thus this breakout. So as you're speaking now, the price is above this trend line. We do expect a continuation to the upper side with our first target here. Then the next target is here, and then the next target is this. So if the price goes up to this point and breaks beyond it, then our next target is fixed at this point. If the price goes above this level, then the next target is this. And so we'll just be waiting for price around these lines. As it is now, if you buy it, have your stop loss below this low, your first take profit, and then the next take profit is this, and then the last one is the one at the very top. The other symbol which I'd like us to look at is gold. So gold, so far we did expect price to continue to the upper side. We were not expecting price to continue pulling back to the lower side as it is doing now, but for some reason the price is continuously pulling back to the lower side. So if the price goes down, this should be the correct place to look for a buy from. Wait for a buy from around this area. If the current move pushes price downwards up to this point, then this would be the ideal place to look for a buy from. The other level is this, where if the price breaks beyond, then that will mean you're continuing upwards. The other level is this, and then the other level is the one at the very top. So these are the places where we expect price to react from. We also have another level here. So it should react from this point, 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 and then the last one is the one at the very top, the one we have here. The other symbol is SP500. So SP500 is also bullish, as I said previously. If we attach the alligator indicator, I'll use the Bollinger Bands. You can see that for some times now the price has been above the mid band, it attempted to break below the middle band here, but then it ended up closing above. And the arrows we have so far are all of them pointing upwards. So keep looking for buy orders on this symbol. Keep looking for buy positions. Wait for price to break beyond this level. Clearly it should break above, retrace back before it can continue to the upper side. So the other symbol, the last one, is Brent oil. Brent oil so far is headed to a direction. As we said previously, we did draw some trend line, a horizontal level here, and we mentioned that if the price breaks above this level, then that will mean we are now continuing to the upper side. That's exactly what has happened. The price somehow has gone beyond our level. We expect it to continue up, at least up to this point. So the price needs to clearly ascend beyond this level, pull back, then continue to the upper side, at least up to this point here. So this will be the best resistance level where the price needs to go up to. If the price breaks beyond, retraces back, then this will give us a correct place to look for a buy from, at least up to this point here. We also have another level here. So the price needs to break above, retrace back, then continue up, at least up to this point here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's session. I will meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you. See you.